So what's going on, YouTube? This is another Daves rant real quick. Have you ever noticed how idiots people are, man? So I had to work today. I get off of work, went to go unlock my bicycle. Do you know what I see? I'll show you what I see. Some jerk decided to do this to my bike lock. Whoever you are, you're an asshole. Straight up. Like, why didn't you at least take my... Why? Why did you have to cut my fucking bike lock, man? I don't understand it. Or a woman. Whatever your sex is, I don't care. You're a jerk for fucking cutting my lock. Like, I'm gonna punch you in the face if I see you. I hope you watch this video. Like, I swear to God I do. Yeah, so, like, they just chop off they just fucking sever my lock. I mean, they left my bicycle, they left my lights, but they cut the lock. What sense does that make? Somebody please explain this to me in the comments section below. That's pretty much it for the rant. Whoever cut the bike locks, fuck you. I'm mostly gonna leave it at that. Fuck you. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.